Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tools for cutting drywall that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee Cordless Cutout Tool. The most advanced features are incorporated into this device, model number 2627-20. It has a 4-pole 18-volt motor to produce 28,000 RPM. This device is suitable for heavy and professional use. It is protected by overload protection to save the device from abusive usage, giving it a longer lifespan. The package includes a cutout tool, belt clip, wrench, 1/8 in, collet, 1/4 in, colt, and 2 1/8 in drywall bits. All the provided power tools can be operated with M18 batteries. The long-lasting red lithium 3.0 Ah battery can cut up to 120 times in one go. The depth guard is adjustable for a variety of materials and cuts. However, some users find the adjustment challenging to set and prefer removing entirely. But everyone agreed in one matter that this tool literally could work faster as advertised, compared to other cutout tools. Using this tool is a breeze. There is a top vent to blow the specks of dust away from you and let you work hassle-free. The tool is lightweight, 2.36 pounds, and has a comfortable grip so that you never feel stress on your hand even after a day-long job. Integrated, all the impressive features make this device the best drywall cutter and ideal to use in workshops for professional tasks. The accessories you get for the price you pay makes this tool a real deal-breaker. Moving on at number 4, we have the DEWALT Max Drywall Cutout Tool. Like all other tools manufactured by DEWALT, this cutout tool, model No. DCS551B, is also the best in its class. It can be used in a wide range of applications and comes with basic features that make this tool the current most popular drywall cutout tool on the market. The powerful 20 volts motor can generate a 26,000 RPM motor in a snap. And the device is supplied with a DEWALT Max lithium-ion cordless drywall tool. Switching the bits is easy, it can be done without any wrench. This feature makes it convenient for a variety of cuts. To illuminate the workpiece and let you work in dimly lit areas, a bright LED has been attached at the top of the tool. Most of the time, the switch of the ordinary cutout tools gets clogged by dust and makes the tool useless. But this Max Drywall Cutout Tool by DEWALT comes with a dust-sealed switch, making the tool perfect for heavy-duty operation for years. This cutter is battery-operated to let you work in remote places and off-grid areas. The battery does not include this package, preparing to buy 2 lithium-ion batteries to run this machine. It is easy to hold and use due to its lightweight, 2.5 pounds. But storing it is a problem because it does not come with a case. This is an expensive cutter, but the quality of the tool, the accuracy of its performance, and the longevity you get with this price are unbeatable. At number 3, we have the Makita-Drywall Cutout Rotary Tool. Many users prefer electric cutout tools over battery-operated ones to save expenses on battery and charger. Makita launched this tool, especially for them, and it has a 10-foot-long power cord with a cord guard. This tool has the highest capacity to cut a wide range of materials due to its 32,000 RPM, maximum in this list. The 5.0 AMP motor produces this high speed. It's a bit changing, and depth guard adjustment is tool-free. Various tools are provided with the packaging as accessories. You get 2%, 1/8 drywall guide bit, 2 collets of 1/4 and 1/8, and a wrench along with the tool in the package. The locks and switches are dust-sealed for long-lasting operation. The tool is only 2.4 pounds, and has a super slim body for convenient operation. To make it perfect for heavy use, a centrifugal fan is included to cool down the motor, whereas the vent has another fan to keep the dust away from the operator. The price is the only bothering matter of this tool. But as an electric tool, the price has got to be higher than the battery-operated ones. At number 2, we have the DEWALT Cordless Drywall Cutout Toolkit. In this package, 2 lithium-ion batteries are included. So, its price is relatively higher than other battery-operated cuts-out tools. But don't back out for the price. This device is made for heavy-duty usage and has the identical high quality of other DEWALT products. Its highest speed is 26,000 revolutions per minute RPM. That may seem insufficient, but it is enough to cut plywood, ceiling tiles, drywall, and many more. Bit changing is swift with this tool, does not require any wrench. The depth guard is also made adjustable. But in reality, that feature has been less effective for me. The on-off switch has a long life due to its dust seal. To let you work in dimly lit areas, a LED is attached at the top to illuminate the workpiece. 220-volt lithium-ion batteries are provided. Both are 2.0, which is enough for light usage. For heavy use, I recommend using 4.0 or 5.0 batteries for long hours of operation. And finally at number 1, we have the Makita Cordless Cutout Tool. You can get the advantage of corded cutout tools in this cordless tool by Makita. Its 18-volt lithium-ion battery is efficient in getting charged quickly and holding the charge for a long time. The maximum RPM is 30,000, making the device suitable to cut different materials. Changing bits and adjusting the depth guard can be done within a blink. Thanks to its shaft lock for onboard bit changing and tool-free depth adjustment. Its star protection computer controls effectively monitor the machine's performance and protects it from overheating resulting from overloading and heavy use. So, there is less chance this tool will be damaged due to heavy-duty usage. You will get 2 PCs 1/8, cutout bit and 1 spanner wrench with the tool as accessories. But the tool is compatible with 1/4 bits as well. The battery and charger need to be purchased separately. There is no dust management feature in this device, which really annoyed me. Other than that, the tool is lightweight, 2.1 pounds, but after putting on the battery, its weight reaches up to 3.7 pounds. If that slightly heavier weight does not bother you after considering its advanced features, you can invest in it because it lies in the inexpensive category. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.